Hello, friends. Today we are going to discuss a very important question. Is coding important for digital marketers in 2024, especially with the rise of AI? Many digital marketers argue that coding is not essential for their work. Thanks to tools that streamline tasks in milliseconds, while this is true, but digital marketers occasionally encounter unique challenges that require technical assistance. Without coding knowledge, they must rely on technical assistance and experts and pay whatever fees they are demanding. However, if digital marketers possess coding skills, they can easily resolve their issues independently and efficiently. In this session, we are going to discuss why coding is important for digital marketers and what are the different reasons. Coding skills are crucial for digital marketers in four areas. The first one is automation, then data analysis, personalization, and website optimization. Client always demand a better performance analysis in their work. Marketers with coding skills can scripts to automatically collect, clean and analyze large set of various marketing channels. This capabilities allows them to identify trend, a campaign performance and gain insight quickly without relying on manual processes or pre-built tools. Additionally, coding skills enable the creation of custom dashboards and reports tailored to specific business needs. Data analysis with programming languages like Python and R can handle and analyze vast amount of data. With coding knowledge, they can directly modify and enhance websites, elements like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to improve the site speed, user experience, and SEO performances. Ultimately, coding proficiency empowers digital marketers to make real time, precise changes that enhance website performances and user engagement. As a digital marketer, are you unsure from where to start? I can guide you if you want to learn programming. Begin with Python. For web development, start with HTML and CSS, then move to the advanced topics like R, programming, and data science, then AI, and many more. In 2004, coding is not just adding skill for the digital marketer, but a necessity. By mastering these coding skills, that marketers can unlock new possibilities and drive great success in their campaigns. So, if you want to learn, let's learn together. We are going to start this session of Python web development and add programming for additional marketers. So, stay tuned for details and keep learning. See you. Bye bye.